Hello friends, welcome to Uncle Adam's Home Farm. So the universe gifted me this cottonwood stump root that I'm going to try to attach to the table here, the found farm table, and I'm going to do like a little speed up on this thing with saw. I already found a spot to cut kind of through here, so we're going to see what happens. Got it cut in half here, and I think I might cut this piece too. I was thinking this piece could kind of go in the back and flare out, like right there. That piece